Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So this is very secret and very informative video for all Stellar XLM holder, and no YouTuber can tell you, my friends, what I tell you in this video. Please don't miss any second to understand better, and this is very secret, so therefore I will notify you to remember this is not a financial video. I just advise you, all right? Alright, my brother, in those days completely we will discuss about this big loss and what we will need to do, and in upcoming time what's my prediction, can they will move upward or not. So let's start this brand video, but kindly if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, the Stellar XLM price, the highest prices you can see here, my friend, 0.355964 USD dollar, but the current price is here. The current price is 0.3 USD dollar, 0.331929 USD dollar. So this is not a big difference, my friend, in the price. But don't worry, my brothers. After a fails, absolutely they will take a jump. So therefore, this is very less now. I hope I was today will recover all these loss now, my friends, but don't worry, absolutely when they're starting moving upwards, so I will give you guarantee they will also take a very huge jump now, because every coin, my friends, from last 3 years I have experienced, my friends, to after every coin were moving in this circulation, to after a jump they were fails down, and after a fails they will take a jump. So therefore I will also notify you, Stellar XLM holder, to please don't worry, don't starting selling, hold it. I hope in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.